Welcome to this video where I fix the passenger side power window switch by opening it up and giving it a bit of a clean. You can see here that the window will struggle to go down, but it's fine when going back up. This tells me that there's potentially something wrong with one of the contacts in the switch. If I use the master power window switch from the driver's door, it works fine. Let's open up the switch. Use a small flat blade screwdriver to lift up the tabs on either side to separate the switch. Do make note of which side is which, as you'd want to put the switch back together the same way. Those circle bits are contact points, and that black buildup is carbon. This is the main reason why the switch isn't working properly, since the carbon is interrupting the electrical flow. Use some fine grade sandpaper to scuff up the contact points to remove all of the carbon. Do the same for the metal pieces that ride on those contact points. Use some electrical contact spray to lubricate the contacts, but spray less than me. Place the metal pieces onto the contact points, then bring the two halves together until it clicks into place. Plug the switch back into the car and test it out. It should now work for both up and down directions.